Hello guys, welcome back. Got my cousin down here and he's ready to go fishing. Stay tuned for some more. How you going, Christopher?
Good. All the way down from Sydney.
Very good. So stay tuned and hopefully we can find a good spot and we can actually fish.
Can I get a hello?
Oh, there's people on their boat. So yeah, I think they're getting taught how to do it, but yeah, we just gotta check it out. Alright, Christopher is admiring a boat landing is over there. So I'm just gonna suss some of these areas out. Probably end up going tonight here. The water is a bit murky. It's been raining here almost 3 weeks, so it's not the greatest. And it is forecast more rain. So, but if he wants to go fishing, I'll show him some fish. I don't know if we're going to catch anything from him. How'd you go? Did you watch it?
Yeah, I watched it, mate. The guy went all the way in.
Did it? Oh. Alright, well, let's go over there, suss it out again, and see what we can find. But yeah. I don't know, this is a bit too low, Christopher. Is it going to hit your head? Well, almost.
Fuck.
Well, no, it's not too bad. Like I said, you don't have to come up here. You can go the other area. But yeah, here's not too bad. But then you've got all the trees in the way. So, it's another jetty down there. So. Don't worry, mate, we'll find something.
Yeah.
We'll go down there and check it out. Let's see this spot. This one will be alright. What do you reckon?
Yeah. I reckon this spot or the last one where we were before.
Okay, well, let's suss it out. You having a great day?
Mate, I'm having a great day. While Christian suss this out, I'm going to go see my little friend down behind the tree.
Let's go and check it out. Don't get bitten by anything or a snake.
Jason, come and save me if I do.
Okay. Well, Christopher's in the bathroom. Yeah, this place is not too bad. Just got to worry about the trees. Big other tree here. The tire's up. So, oh well, we'll give it a go at night time. See what happens. If not, we'll go on the other side and give it a go. But so far, there's people fishing, and doesn't look too bad. Yes. Hey, get out of it. But yeah, we'll come here tonight around, what do you reckon, Christopher, 7-ish?
Yeah, around 70s.
Don't forget your biscuit. What are you bringing for snacks?
Chips and mate, fucking vodka and passion fruit.
That's it.
Daniel, what are you bringing?
All good. Alright, so we'll probably look at the area down there and then we'll head back and maybe have a couple of beers while we wait. and have your, what's it called again? Your
Vodka and passion fruit. The,
Oh.
what do you call it? What does Pat call it?
Yeah, so
The whatever drink.
yeah.
Yeah.
Can't, so yeah. All right, so we're going suss out here. There's some people.
He's already taken off his mate.
Oh, he's gone. He's having a. He's gone. Now it's going to rain. So.
I can see he's up the cover.
Oh yeah, that's not too bad. He's got a cover.
He's got a cover.
Yeah.
What is he worried about this, mate?
We've got to find out, eh? So, but yeah. So it doesn't look too bad. There's another big boat. That's not your boat, is it, Crystal?
No.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Daniel, bring it, mate. Oh, look.
Must be a fish. Did you see that, Crystal?
Yeah.
The water there. Did you see it bubbling?
Yeah. See if he does it again.
So yeah, there must have been something there. Must have ate it. So, alright, we'll come here at night time and see what happens. Alright guys, we're gonna head back now. We'll see if we can do another video. If I do another video, I'll put it up, but stay tuned, and it's good to have Christopher in our YouTube channel.
And then we'll have Daniel a bit later on.
That's it, and then we'll do some more videos. Hooroo guys, see you next time. Ciao.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a good thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That is GC Fisherman, and like he always says, hooroo!